on today?
Me? Ultra. McUltra. That's my lump.
Jessica's pokes out like that too.
That's my scar tissue right there. That lump might be a hernia. I don't know. The rest of it is all McUltra. Layton, what you doing? You're not telling me? Did you talk to Daddy? What did he say? Did you talk to Daddy?
Daddy?
What did he say?
Daddy?
Yes.
Is not. Is not.
Is not what?
He's not talking.
Oh, but you talked to him a minute ago, didn't you?
Yes.
What did he say? What did he tell you on the phone?
I don't know.
Who's here with you? Am I Grandma? What's my name?
Mommy. Mommy.
Who else is here?
Grandma.
And?
Her sister.
Aunt Jeannie.
Do you love me? A little bit.
A lot.
What's that noise? Is your toe beeping?
No. It is that phone number. But. Hey.
What?
Look, where am I trapped? Mommy. Mommy, get out of here. How good. Are these do these transformers transform
Yeah.
to what? To what?
One of them transforms into a car, and one of them transforms into a helicopter. Which one do you think this one transforms into a car?
Yeah. Why do they both have wheels?
I don't know, baby.
Is the yellow one turned into a car?
Yes.
But look, his arm.
What's on TV?
Well, where's my red marker? Cookies? Thanks for finding my marker.
What's on, buddy?
You got red ink all over your hands. Even after
Is that Team Amizumi?
how did you manage to do that?
What is it?
Looks like you have the measles.
Max and your Ruby.
Luckily, Dr. Ruby always carries wipes. And
Are you sleeping?
here, you finish cleaning yourself while I check on my patient.
He's
These
good.
are only for patients to help them feel all better.
His arm.
What happened?
Lego's arm.
What happened to it?
It fell off.
Oh my goodness.
Good. But I think you'd better rest up a little longer just to make sure.
What you got?
needed an emergency right away.
What you got, like? What you got? What is it?
Ambulance driver Max, this is no time to lie down on the job. Red rubber elephant has bruised
Do you feel funny?
and hairy tarantula has broken legs.
Wait.
All 6 of us.
Do you feel funny?
To get these patients to the hospital. Stat.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Ow! You got me.
Don't worry, Dr. Ruby is in control.
Oh, got one, got one. You got me. Oh, you're killing me.
Don't hurt my mommy. Don't hurt my sister.
Thanks, Randall.
Oh. You feel so? Oh. Oh. You're gonna make all that fat come out of my belly. Do you want mommy to be skinny? Do you want mommy to have a little belly? Layton, do you want mommy to have a little belly? Like you?
No.
Why? Why not?
Who wants to be killed?
You can practice bandaging another time. Right now, I need all my bandages for my patients.
Who wants to be killed down there?
Dr. Ruby, I think you
I
might
see
like to
somebody
look
wants
at
to be
that.
killed.
You scraped your elbow. Let me order my extra special bandages.
Oh, I think you got my arm. Ow, my leg. Look at that guy, Grandma.
How do you feel?
Oh, oh.
Oh,
What is that? What is that, Jane? No, my this No, that was her. Oh, you got me in the head. Oh, my head. Oh, my head.
I was shooting it to Grandma.
Oh, well, you was pointing it the wrong way.
Oh,
Oh, my eye, my eye. Oh, other eye, this eye. What are you watching, lady?
Dora.
Oh. Oh, you're a killing machine. Oh. Oh. It's working. Ow!
Cow.
Bow, bow.
Cow.
The wall.
Are they gonna transform?
Yeah, you got a transformer.
Hey. Do they do it by themselves?
No, you have to do it.
How? Don't know how?
You feel all right, Layton? You feel all right?
Don't worry, baby Jaguar. I have it right here.
What's Mama doing? What's Mama doing?
Come quick, quick.
Mommy, I want to see.
That's the pronto. Let's make sure.
Do it again. Do it again. I want to look at it. I want to see it. That's so silly. That's so silly. I'm gonna sing. I want to
You want to
sing.
sing? You gonna sing?
No.
We've got everything on our list.
I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to be silly on the phone.
Oh, you gotta point it at you so you can be silly. Alright, be silly. Be silly. Is that the best you can do? You can be sillier than that.
I want to see. I don't see me. I don't see me. I'm gone. I'm gone. Look what shirt I'm in.
Please sit down.
That's a nightgown.
Please sit down.
It's a hospital gown.
Cool. Are you
Way
Superman?
cool.
Feels like a cape.
Don't fall backwards.
Alright, sit down. Please sit down. Sit down. I'm gonna go get the doctor. Alright.
Man.
You got Legos everywhere.
How does he transform?
Very carefully. The Nutty Forest, that's where we belong.
What?
The Nutty Forest.
Is that where we live?
Yeah, it is actually.
Do you live in the Nutty Forest?
Leighton, where are you?
Are you in the Nutty Forest? No? Where are you?
Here.
Where's here? What is this place?
The hospital.
Oh,
And what are they gonna do? What is the doctor gonna do?
Fix your mouth and your teeth.
fix your mouth.
Mine or yours?
Mine.